Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, is a traditional beverage made by warming up cows or plant-based milk with turmeric and other spices like cinnamon and ginger. It's celebrated for its health benefits, which include antioxidant properties *. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with strong antioxidant effects that help protect cells from damage and fight off disease. Anti-inflammatory effects *. The spices in turmeric milk have potent anti-inflammatory properties that may reduce inflammation and joint pain. Brain health *. Curcumin may increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which helps the brain form new connections and promotes the growth of brain cells. Mood improvement *. Curcumin in turmeric may improve mood and has been compared to some pharmaceutical drugs for its anti-inflammatory effects. Heart disease prevention *. It may protect against heart disease by reducing inflammation. Blood sugar regulation *. Turmeric milk may help lower blood sugar levels. Cancer risk reduction *. Some studies suggest that turmeric may reduce the risk of cancer. Antimicrobial properties *. It has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. These benefits make turmeric milk a popular choice for those looking to boost their immunity and overall health. It's often consumed at night to facilitate sound sleep and promote general well-being. To make your own turmeric milk, you can warm up milk with turmeric powder, cinnamon, ginger, and a sweetener of your choice.